Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M33 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder. Also, we can add here a couple of apps in one click just by tap here to this plus icon and to select all of the applications which we just want to add to the folder. Then just tap to done, and now we can see that we just successfully add them. If you want to give a name to the folder or rename it, just click once here on the name, enter it, tap to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully give it the name, or we can rename it by the same way. To move a folder here on the home screen, you just should hold it and drag it. Also, we can move it between the screens just by the same way, and we can create also the new screens with a folder just by hold and drag the folder to another screen, to another side to our screen. If you wanna just remove the application from the folder, you just should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, you just should hold it and tap to remove icon. But don't worry, you'll stay with this application on your device. Here in the apps menu, you just remove the item from the home screen. Also, we can just select a couple of applications and remove them in one click, or just create the new folder. As you can see, that's so simple. And also we can remove the applications with the folder in one click. Just hold it for a while and tap to remove icon. But don't worry, all of the applications will stay here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.